Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shamir, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for joining me again today. So as you can see, we're looking at some fall home decor, okay? If you're ready for pumpkin spice, those beautiful fall leaves, and all of the beautiful fall home decor, then I got you covered, and at a great price. Because where are we? We are at Pop Shelf, okay? So Pop Shelf, I've told you guys before, has quickly become one of my favorite little stores to go to and get like home decor. They have snacks, they have toys, they have a variety of things. But what I want to show you today is all of the fall stuff that they're putting out. So this is basically gonna be more of a first look, because I'm sure they'll put a few more things out. But you guys, they have some really great deals, okay? So I'm sure you'll notice the prices as we go along, but they have a variety of pumpkins and stuff to choose from. Now look, you see these pumpkins, they have designs on it, they have the beautiful wall signs like that one there that says harvest. Some of these items at other stores will run you $20-$30 like per pumpkin, per sign for the wall and stuff like that, which some of the wall signs, I think the most expensive one I saw was like 20 or 25 bucks. But really, this is where you come if you want to get a deal and you want to fill in some things, okay? So I'm not saying, don't go shop at the other stores and find some stuff that you like. No, because of course I'm going to be showing you guys those as well. But I'm saying, shop around, find some little pieces here or there, and find the things that you feel like are a deal, especially if you, let's say last year you had a lot of pumpkins already, but you just want to add a few more. You don't want to spend a ton of money. Then you can go somewhere like here at Pop Shelf and grab, the few extra pieces that you want. The welcome sign for the front door was so nice. I really loved it. You guys, it was almost it was a little difficult, not almost, it was a little difficult trying to film some of the stuff too, because some people were trying to like move out of my way so that I could show you guys this stuff, but then at the same time they're itching like to get back over there, like, girl, could you hurry up so I can get back over here and look at these items. So I definitely want to make sure that I respected the other shoppers as well and kind of tried to stay out of their way, and they were nice and stayed out of mine as well, so that I could show you guys this stuff. But yeah, they also have some doormats for your front door. I know a lot of people are iffy sometimes about having seasonal items like doormats. I know some people that are like, okay, but not the doormat, because then I'm gonna have to change it out, and we'll do other things, but I like it, okay? So I feel like, and you can definitely reuse those type of items, just bring it back out next fall, okay? I really don't feel like you can go wrong with home decor, okay? Even if it's seasonal. And you can always do something fun, like have a little home decor swap party with your friends, maybe switch out home decor with each other. So if you like some stuff they had last fall and they like some stuff that you had, you could switch it out. That would be fun. A little home decor party, little swap party. And that might be a new thing, okay? And I just invented it. You all heard it here first. But anyway, you guys, I'm not gonna just keep rambling and talk your head off. I'm gonna give you some time to sit back, vibe out, look at the items that they have in store, and I'll pop back in with you guys in just a few. And don't sleep on the candles at Pop Shelf either. They have some really nice candles and a large selection for you to choose from as well. Because look at these. These are so nice. All right, you guys, we've reached the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed this first look at the fall home decor and pop shelf. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with somebody who loves shopping for fall home decor too, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye. Thanks for watching.